Hello, this is nice math problem. 8 to the power x times 4 to the power x is equal 30 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start. Solution. The given equation is 8 to the power x times 4 to the power x is equal 30. We can write this 8 to the power x as 2 cube whole power x and this 4 to the power x as 2 square whole power x is equal this 30. We know a exponential property which is a to the power m whole power n is equal a to the power m times n. According to this property, we can write this line as 2 to the power 3x times 2 to the power 2x is equal 30. We know a to the power m times a to the power n is equal a to the power m plus n. According to this property, we can write this line as 2 to the power 3x plus 2x is equal 30. Here 2 to the power 3x plus 2x is equal 5x is equal this 30. Now we will take log in both sides. So you can write here log 2 to the power 5x is equal log 30. We know log m to the power n is equal n log m. According to this property, we can write this line as 5x log 2 is equal log 30. Now we will divide it both sides by log 2 to eliminate this log 2. So you can write here log 2 over log 30 over log 2. Here this log 2 cancel out. Here 5x is equal log 30 over log 2. Log m over log n is equal log m to the base n. According to this property, we can write this log 30 over log 2 as here 5x is equal log this 30 to the base this 2. Now we will divide it both sides by 5 to eliminate this 5. So you can write here over 5 over 5. Here this 5 cancel out. Here x is equal to log 1 over 5 log 30 to the base 2. This is our answer. Now we will verify to check this value is correct or not. So verify. Our main equation is 8 to the power x times 4 to the power x is equal 30. We can write this 8 to the power x as 2 cube to the power x times 4 to the power x as 2 square whole power this x is equal 30. Here 2 to the power 3x times 2 to the power 2x is equal 30. Here 2 to the power 3x times 2 to the power 2x is equal 2 to the power 3x plus 2x is equal 30. Here 2 to the power 5x is equal to 30. Here x is equal to 1 over 5 log 30 to the base 2. So we can write here 2 to the power 5 times x is equal to this 1 over 5 log 30 to the base 2 is equal this 30. Here this 5 and this 5 cancel out. Here 2 to the power log 30 to the base 2 is equal 30. We know log a to the power log b to the base a is equal b. According to this property, we can write here this 30 is equal this 30. Here left hand side is equal right hand side are equal. Therefore our answer x is equal 1/5 log 30 to the base 2. This is our final answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.